Welcome to our journey through the ages, where we explore the incredible courage of women in the Bible. Their stories, etched in time, whisper of resilience and faith, of unwavering strength in the face of adversity. They were mothers, sisters, daughters, leaders, women from different walks of life, bound by an unshakable belief and the courage to challenge the familiar, to defy expectations. Over the next hour, we'll delve into their world, a world both familiar and distant. We'll trace their footsteps through deserts and palaces, through moments of triumph and despair. We'll listen closely as their stories, imbued with timeless wisdom, remind us of the boundless capacity for courage that resides within us all. Picture the vast, unforgiving landscape of ancient Egypt, the sun beating down on a people yearning for freedom. It was here, amidst the dust and the desperation, that Miriam, a woman of extraordinary courage, stepped into the annals of history. As the sister of Moses, she watched over him as a babe, her heart filled with a mother's fierce love and a premonition of his destiny. Years later, when Moses returned, chosen by God to liberate their people, Miriam stood by his side, her voice rising in powerful songs of faith and defiance. Leading the women in joyous celebration after their miraculous escape across the Red Sea, Miriam's spirit echoed the boundless hope that bloomed in the hearts of her people. She reminds us that courage can be a song, a rallying cry that unites and uplifts, a beacon of hope in the darkest of times. Miriam's legacy echoes through time, reminding us that even in the face of overwhelming odds, the human spirit, sustained by faith, can achieve the impossible. Imagine a young woman thrust into a world of opulence and intrigue, her heart heavy with a secret that could cost her everything. This was Esther's reality in the grand, gilded cage of the Persian palace. Chosen as queen, she could have easily succumbed to the allure of her position, choosing comfort and security over the plight of her people. Yet, Esther, a woman of quiet strength and unwavering faith, chose a different path. When her people faced annihilation, she risked everything, revealing her hidden Jewish heritage to her husband, the king. With grace and eloquence, she pleaded for their lives, her courage defying a king's decree and altering the course of history. Esther's story is a testament to the quiet power of inner strength. It reminds us that courage doesn't always roar. Sometimes it's the whisper of a prayer, a leap of faith into the unknown, a heart willing to sacrifice everything for what is right. Chapter 3. In a time of turmoil and uncertainty, when the Israelites faced constant threats, a woman of extraordinary wisdom and resolve rose to lead them. Deborah, a prophetess and judge, possessed an unwavering connection to God and an innate ability to discern his guidance. Under the shade of a palm tree, she dispensed justice and wisdom, her counsel sought by all, from the lowliest citizen to the mightiest warrior. When the iron chariots of the Canaanite army threatened to crush the Israelites, Deborah, with unwavering faith, called upon Barak, a reluctant general, to lead their forces. "I will surely go with you," she declared, her words a testament to her unwavering courage and her belief in Barak's destiny. And so, together, they led their people to victory, securing a generation of peace. Deborah's story challenges us to embrace our own inner strength, to lead with wisdom and courage, and to trust in the divine guidance that resides within us all. Her legacy reminds us that true leadership knows no gender, only the unwavering commitment to justice, faith, and the well-being of all. Chapter 4. Imagine leaving behind everything familiar, your homeland, your people, to journey to a foreign land, clinging to loyalty and love as your only compass. This was Ruth's reality, a Moabite woman who, after the death of her husband, chose to stay by the side of her mother-in-law, Naomi, a woman broken by loss. "Where you go, I will go," Ruth vowed, her words a testament to the enduring power of loyalty and love. And so, they journeyed together to Bethlehem, two women bound by grief and an unspoken promise of support. Ruth, with quiet determination, gleaned in the fields to provide for herself and Naomi, her actions a testament to her unwavering work ethic and her compassionate heart. It was in these fields that she met Boaz, a man of kindness and integrity, who, moved by her loyalty, eventually became her husband. Ruth's story is a tribute to the enduring strength of the human spirit, the power of loyalty to heal and redeem, and the unexpected ways in which love can blossom even in the most barren of landscapes. Chapter 5. Imagine the weight of the world resting on your shoulders, the knowledge that you've been chosen for a destiny that defies human comprehension. This was Mary's reality, a young woman from Nazareth, visited by an angel and told that she would give birth to the Son of God. Overwhelmed yet resolute, Mary simply replied, "I am the Lord's servant. May your word to me be fulfilled." Her journey was marked by uncertainty, sacrifice, and moments of profound joy and unbearable sorrow. She witnessed her son's miracles, felt the sting of his rejection, and stood at the foot of the cross, her heart breaking with every breath. Yet through it all, Mary's faith never wavered. She held on to the promise whispered by angels, her spirit a beacon of unwavering trust in God's plan. Mary's story is a testament to the transformative power of faith. It reminds us that even in the face of unimaginable challenges, even when we don't fully understand, our faith can be our anchor, guiding us through the storms and leading us toward the light. These women, separated by time yet united by an indomitable spirit, continue to inspire us. They remind us that courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. It's the quiet voice that whispers, "I will try again," the hand that reaches out to lift another, the heart that refuses to be defined by limitations. These women inspire us to face our own challenges with courage and faith, to embrace our own unique strengths, to raise our voices against injustice, to lead with wisdom and compassion, and to trust in the unseen hand that guides us all. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories.